Okay, we're gonna talk about Mixwell, because I think Mixwell is a really good player. And you guys know I love G2. I love G2 a lot. He made a play during the Ignition series for, it was on Allied Esports, I think it was. Excuse me, this is my understanding. Riot is like sponsoring tournaments, so like giving them money to run these tournaments. And then like over time, there's like a tournament every single week, dude. It's incredible. I think eventually Riot's probably gonna make something that they have similar with League of Legends, like the LCS. But right now, this is kind of what they're running, and it's nice because it means I get to watch G2 pretty much every single week. I get to watch them like stomp. Insane team, insane players. Mixwell's not even my favorite player on the team. And my favorite player on the team is probably David P or Artis. I think both of those guys are incredible. But Tidek is also so good. Pith is also so good. It is just so much fun to watch them. But I wanted to showcase this one play because Mixwell just freaking popped off, and it was really fun to watch. Basically, they're playing on split. They had done very well on defense, and they kind of needed this play to open them up. And something that I think is really interesting about G2 is that they actually pretty much play the same characters every single time that they play rounds, their games. So they basically run Artis on Sova, they'll run David P on Sage, they'll run Mixwell on Jett, and then they'll run Pith on a Cypher, and then they'll run, who am I missing? Tidek on Omen. That's pretty much what they run every single time. In this game, though, they're playing Artis on Raze, just because apparently I think that Sova's worst map is split. That's what I've been told before. So I guess he's running on Raze, which is a little bit more fun. It's fun to watch. It's fun to watch and play different characters, but this is going to be a round particularly where Mixwell is going to pop off. It actually has nothing to do with Artis. I just kind of wanted to talk about it because I think that it's interesting to have these professional teams where they literally run the exact same comp pretty much every single game. I think that's very interesting. But here comes the play right here. You guys can just revel in the greatness that is Mixwell. What you're going to see right here is Mixwell's actually going to have his ultimate, and they're struggling to get any sort of advantage here on defense or on offense. Offense is very hard and split. They're kind of looking for something to open it up, and you're going to see how Mixwell uses his engage just very strong to get in here with this ultimate. He's actually going to pick up Echoes in that corner. He does this after the Cypher ultimate too, where he has information on where all these players are playing. Just decides to freaking pop off, using the daggers up here, going for the 4K, as you must. After you get a 3K like that, you need to finish off the fourth target, you know, just for the clips, for the kills and stuff. Mixwell's making a case for himself right now, too, because Mixwell has been kind of struggling in a lot of the past games, and he's just looking to showcase that, like, I am still one of the best Jetts in the world, if not the best. I gotta showcase it, and I freaking love it, dude. We're gonna let that play out again here in the replay. So his play comes right after Cypher's ultimate, and he moves in quick on it, right? Cypher's ultimate lands, so he knows exactly that Eccles is right here. They have the Raze who's coming in for the retake, and then they have the Sage over here, right? So when he's coming in for this push, he kind of has an idea of where all the players are going to be. So Mixwell's going to dash in. He knows Eccles is right here. Eccles couldn't have gone anywhere. Now he's going to focus attention over onto the Raze here in heaven. Raze uses her ultimate. He knows exactly where she's coming. If she ulted, she's probably looking to cut them off here in this entryway. Gets the kill onto the Raze. This is clutch too, because Sulcus actually had his ultimate out. This is perfect. Now he's going to peek the Cypher right here. Just has a feeling that there's going to be another player right here. And now he knows exactly where the Sage is as she was playing events. Knows she's probably going to be pretty close. Goes for the final kill here. Very well done. I'm not going to say anything like, oh, well, this is exactly what you should take away from this play right here. If there's anything to take away, it's that when your Cypher uses his ultimate, that's the best time to capitalize on it because you know exactly where all the players are. But for the most part, I just like to show this play just to kind of immortalize some of these plays, because I think that's something that's kind of disappointed with esports is a lot of the times people will make fantastic plays like this and then just end up like disappearing into the tournament because there's just another tournament. It'll end up going away and stuff. But I really wanted to highlight, like, hey, this is awesome. This is a good play, you know? That's all I got. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If we end up uploading that to YouTube, remember to subscribe to the channel down below, do all the things. I freaking love your faces. Goated, dude. What the cap of prides in chat? You guys are just feeling it.